Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today in this video I am going to discuss the application of mathematical induction to matrices. Generally in the class 11 or আমি কি discuss করেছিলো the principle of what mathematical induction. Similarly in the same procedure the same steps are also we use in application of what mathematical induction to matrices. So here we discuss these things, the involvement of what matrices. আমি matrix থকাৰ যিবিলাক প্ৰবলেম আছে সেই প্ৰবলেম বিলাকৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি ইয়াত কি কৰিম আমি principle of mathematical induction to আমি discuss কৰিম. Here there are three steps. The first one is what? Let P of n be a statement involving the natural number n. Here n must be a natural number. কি number হৈছে তোমাৰ natural number. The given statement to the tomar enka format of dia thake p of n format aru kitiaba ya tomar x thakibo pare say y say something like that kikono thakibo pare but this number always represent what set of what natural number. Okay, the step initially the first step is what the statement is true for n equal to 1. Initially you have to verify the given statement is true for n equal to 1. That means the least natural number. Okay, aru ketiaba tomar yaar enake dibo pare n is greater than equal to 2. Titele kor pra start koribo lagibo moi verify kor pra koribo lagibo initially start from for n equal to what 2. Next second one is what we consider the statement is true for n equal to k. The statement is true for n equal to k where k belongs to all the what natural number. K represent koribo tomar all the natural number represent korise. The second step is what we consider the result is true for n equal to k. Again the third step is what with the help of second step you have to prove the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. That means more than one term of what k. Eto k term asile k plus 1 term olge ami result is that means what the statement is true you have to prove it. Okay, with the help of which statement? The second statement. That means only three steps are there. The first one is what you have to verify the result is true for least natural number. That means n equal to what 1. The second one is what we consider the result is true for n equal to k where k is belongs to what all the natural number. That is the second step. And third one is what you have to prove the statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. That means more than one term with the help of which statement? Second step. With the help of which step? Second step. These three results we use. With the help of these three results we can prove this type of problem where matrices are what involved. Okay, now we discuss some example. In this example, if A equal to this matrix which is a 2 by 2 matrix, then prove that A to the power n equal to 1 plus twice of n minus 4n and n what minus what twice n. These four elements are there. Okay, 2 by 2 matrix for all n is belong to a natural number by using what principle of what mathematical induction. Now the first step 1, the first step is what you have to verify for n equal to which value 1. For n equal to 1, then you have a to the power 1 from the given statement. You have 1 plus 2 into 1 minus what 4 into 1 and this one is 1 and this one is 1 minus 2 into 1. You have this one. Okay, in place of n we consider what 1 n or place we consider koisu moi 1 put kori moi saisu the result is true or not. That means you have what is the value of this part? This one is equal to 3 definitely and this one is equal to minus 4 and this one is equal to 1 and after simplification of this part is equal to what? Minus 1. A to the power 1 means what? A. That means A equal to this matrix. This one already given. Therefore, the statement is what? The given statement. The statement is true for what? N equal to 1. This one is completed. That is the first step, step 1. Start with the second step, step 2. Second step. The second step is what? You have to consider. That means we consider the result is, that means the statement is true for N equal to what? K. Consider the result is true for N equal to K. What is the value of K? K is belongs to where? All the natural number. Therefore, the given statement, this one can be written as like that: A to the power K is equal to 1 plus twice K, and next one is what? Minus 4K, and this one is what? K, and final one is what? Minus 1 minus 2 into K. That means we consider N equal to what? K. That is the value of what? A to the power K. This one we consider equation 1. That means with the help of this step, second step, that means with the help of equation 1, you have to prove this third step. Kuntu step prove kori ami third one. From the third step, you have to prove that the result is true for N equal to K plus 1, more than one term of what? K, where K is belong to what? All the natural number. That means you have to prove A to the power K plus 1 is equal to what? A to the power K plus 1. Simply sabahan. N is replaced by K plus 1. N is what? Replaced by what? K plus 1. That means in place of N, kiri and not place of kiri place of K plus 1. Okay. Then you have 1 plus 2 into K plus 1. And next one is minus 4 into K plus 1. And this part is what? K plus 1. And this part is 1 minus 2 into what? K plus 1. You have to prove it. And after simplification, this step also written as like that. Itu gimana ibu tumar? Twice K. 2 plus 1. Definitely this part is equal to 3. Here I tumar minus 4K. Minus 4. And this one is already K plus 1. Itu step like minus twice K. Minus 2 plus 1. Definitely minus 1. That means you have to prove A to the power K plus 1 equal to this one with the help of this step, second step. A to step 4. That means with the help of equation 1. Now, the left hand side of this part, itu ami prove koribo lage, ami left hand side part to consider korisu. A to the power K plus 1. This can be written as like that: A to the power K into A. A to the power K into A. Same base. Okay, then what is the value of A to the power K? With the help of equation 1. 1 order put kori dia, A to the power K value. What is the value of A to the power K? 1 plus twice K. And this one is what? Minus 4K. And this one is what? Definitely K. And this one is what? 1 minus twice K. Here this one. Next, into what is the value of A? Next matrix is what? A. Putting this value of A. A is equal to this one. The finally this particle can be written as 3 minus 4 and 1 and what? Minus 1. That is the value.
Now you have to multiply these two matrices. Duita matrix ami ki korim etia multiply. What is the order of this matrix? This one is what 2 by 2. This one also what 2 by 2. Number of column of the first matrix is equal to number of rows of the what second matrix. Therefore, multiplication of these two matrices are what possible. Now, how can you multiply it? Etia ami ki koribo lagibo matrix ta ami multiply koribo. ঠিক আছে? This step. First row multiply with what? First column. First column multiply with first one is what? 1 plus twice k into what? 3. Next one is what? Plus minus 4k into what? 1. That is the second. Second element. The first element or value. Okay. Next one. Next one first row multiply with what? Second column. A into the multiply. This one 1 plus twice k into minus 4 plus next k minus 4k into minus 1. Minus 4k into what? Minus 1. You have this one. That is the element of what? A12. First row, second row. Next, you have to multiply second row, first column. K into 3 plus next 1 minus twice k into 1. Next, this row multiply with second column. K into minus 4 plus 1 minus twice k into what? Minus. You have this one. Clear? Now this step can be written as like that. After simplification, first one is what? 3 into 2. Ultimately 6k. 6k minus 4k. Definitely this part is equal to what? Twice k. Multiply 3 into 1. This value is equal to what? 3. Okay. Next, simplify this one. Minus 4 twice k. Minus 8k. And this one is what? Plus 4k. Minus 8k plus 4k. Definitely minus 4k. Okay. Next, this one is minus 4 into 1. Definitely this value is equal to what? Minus 4. Clear this part? Next, I am going to simplify this one. 3 into k, twice k minus twice k. Definitely this value is equal to k. And 1 into 1, this one is equal to plus 1, k plus 1. Okay. Again, when you simplify this part, k into minus 4k. And this one is what? Plus twice k. Definitely this value is equal to minus twice k. Again, minus 1 into 1. Definitely minus 1. You have this. That means the value of a to the power k plus 1. A to the power k plus 1 is equal to this part. Whose order is what? 2 by 2. Now you have to prove which one? A to the power k plus 1 equal to this one. It to prove hey value pe here same element twice k plus 3 twice k plus 3 minus 4k minus 4 k plus 1 minus twice k minus 1 minus twice k minus 1. That means the result is true for n equal to which value? K plus 1. Therefore, the statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. Hence, given result is true for all the natural number. Okay, that is the solution of this part. Here we consider another example. But let A equal to this one, which is a 2 by 2 matrix, so that AI plus BA whole to the power n equal to a to the power n into I plus n into a to the power n minus 1 into b into what? A, where I is the identity matrix of order 2. That means I, that is the identity matrix of order 2. I equal to what? This matrix is equal to what? 1 0 0 1. Where n is belong to what? All the natural number. In the given statement, here A, this one is a matrix, and I, this one also a what? Matrix. Here to tomar A, capital A, this one is what? Matrix ase. Or I, A plus tomar matrix, and others all are what? Scalar quantity. The remaining key tomar ki diya ase tomar scalar quantity diya ase. Now how can you prove it? Okay. First step 1. For n equal to 1, for n equal to 1, n equal to 1 or kind of the verify for what value of n equal to what? 1. 1 or kind of verify from the left hand side of this part, left hand side is equal to what? Ai plus ba whole to the power what? 1. Ai plus ba whole to the power what? 1. So finally you have ai plus ba. The similarly, when you have to find the right hand side of this part, a to the power 1 into I plus 1 into a to the power 1 minus 1 into b into a. So what is the value of this part? A to the power 1, a is a scalar quantity, definitely this part equal to, you have directly activity point a into I. Next, 1 into a to the power 1 minus 1 means what? A to the power 0, a to the power 0 means 1. Finally you have ba. That means you have ai plus ba, this one also ai plus ba. Therefore, left hand side equal to what? Right hand side. Hence, the result is true for n equal to what? 1. First step is what? Already completed. Now, we consider the second step, step 2, second one. Second step is what? Second step we have to consider the result is true for n equal to k. Let the result is true for n equal to k, where k is belongs to where? All the necessary number. You have to mention it, mention very well. Therefore, the given statement can be written as ai plus ba whole to the power k. N is replaced by what? K. And this one is a to the power k into I. And the second one is what? K into a to the power k minus 1 into ba. This one we consider equation 1. Okay. With the help of this result, a result are helpful. That means with the help of this second step, that means with what? Equation 1, you have to prove the result is true for n equal to what? K plus 1. Next, we discuss for in third step 2 more discuss karo bisarisu. Step 3, third step. Okay. To prove that the result is true for n equal to what? K plus 1, where k is belong to where? All the necessary number. Okay. Now, that is, you have to prove what? ai plus ba whole to the power what? K plus 1. Put correction annotation k plus 1. A to the power k plus 1 into I. And second one is what? You have n equal to k plus 1, a to the power k plus 1 minus 1, definitely a to the power k, into b into a. You have to prove it. You have to prove this one. Okay. That means the given statement is true for what value of n equal to k plus 1. You have to prove it. Okay. Here we consider the left hand side of this part. What is the left hand side? This one is what? ai plus ba whole to the power k plus 1. This part can be written as ai plus ba whole to the power k into ai plus ba. Okay? The same basis. ठीक है, मीटर बेस किया से तुम्हारा सेम इतने तुम्हारा सवाल from this part what is the value of ai plus ba whole to the power k. With the help of equation 1 you can write a to the power k into I plus k into a to the power k minus 1 into what? ba. With the help of which equation? Equation 1 into what is equal to ai plus what? ba. Using equation 1. Using what? Equation 1. Now you have to multiply these two terms. A to the term of multiply. The multiply code the one point is so important. Matrix is multiply with matrices and scalar quantity multiply with what? Scalar quantity. Matrix in matrix is available or scalar in one scalar quantity. Okay. First one, a to the power k into I multiply with this one. Here a to the power k is scalar, a also scalar. Finally you have a to the power k plus 1. A to the power k into a, definitely a to the power what? K plus 1. Within bracket write down this matrix is I and this one is also what? I into I. Okay. Matrix become a matrix separation. Here. Next second one, this part multiply with the second one. That a to the power k is our scalar quantity is what? B. Therefore a to the power k into b, that is the scalar quantity. Within this bracket write down the multiplication of these two matrices. This one is what? I and this one is what? A. Clear this part. Next second one, we consider this one with this part. Here key asset mar saka ha. First asset mar k asset scalar quantity a to the power k minus 1 into a, dependently a to the power k. Next b, here b ahile. Matrix kun ase tomar swa a into what? I. A into I. Okay. Plus, so finally you have this part multiply with this one. The scalar quantity first one is what? K. This one is a to the power k minus 1. B into b. This one must be what? B square. And matrix is what? Here a. And this one is also what? So after simplification of this part, you have to simplify for a to the power k plus 1. I into 1, I into I, because the identity matrix are multiplied, this one is always what? Identity. Therefore, this part must be equal to I. Next, a to the power k into b. Identity matrix with what? A. From the properties of matrix multiplication, we have identity matrix or any matrix multiply, then you have the given matrix what? A. If I have this part is equal to what? A. Similarly, a to part of k into a to the power k into b. This part also what? A into I plus a. And finally, last term is what? A to part term kiman diya ase tomar saiba k ase a to the power k minus 1. And this part is equal to b square. A into a, definitely this value is equal to what? A square. Now, this step can be written as like that. That is the left hand side part. Yes or no? First one is what? A to the power k plus 1 into what? I. And second one is what? A to the power k into b into what? A. That is the matrix. plus k into a to the power k into b into what? A, and the final term is what? K into a to the power k minus 1 into what? B square into what? A square. Now I am going to find the value of what? A square. What is the value of a square? A square means what? A into a. What is the value of a? A value किमान दिया है तुम्हारा 0 1 0 0, and this one also 0 1 0. If you multiply, then you have what? First row multiply with first column. 0 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0. Definitely this part must be equal to 0. 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0. This one also 0. Next, second row multiply with first column 0 0 into 0 0. So definitely this part 0 I know. 0 into 1 0 into 0. This one also 0. Now this part the value of what? A squared must be a what? Null matrix. Now a squared to my key matrix finally this one must be a what? Null matrix. Now a squared place of my key in place of a squared, this one is a what? Null matrix 0. Then a null matrix is denoted by the symbol what? 0. Now from this part a to the power k plus 1 into I. From this part, यहाँ से a to the power k into b into what? A to part আছে. यहाँ पे also part a to the power k b into a. This part both are common term from the given two terms. Okay. यहाँ पर कितने आते हैं कि लिखियो पड़ा a to the power k into b into a, which is the common part, and from this part the remaining term is what? K, or here one they go to mark 1. Or null matrix or level any scalar quantity to multiply kara, definitely this must be a what? Null matrix. Null matrix level. Again, we are to do here. That is the right hand side. Yes or no? Check it. One and a half. It will propose a to the power k plus 1 into I, a to the power k plus 1 into I, and k plus 1 into a to the power k into b into a. K plus 1 into a to the power k into b into a. That means what? The result is true. Therefore, the result is true for all the natural number. Okay, that is the proof. Here we consider another example. If A and B are commute, commute means what? Satisfy the commutative property. Then prove that a b to the power n equal to b to the power n into a for all n is belongs to what? Natural number by using what? Principle of what? Mathematical induction. Now how can you prove it? Okay. The first statement, the given that a and b are commute, that means given AB must be is equal to BA. This one we have equation 1. Why? Already given that A and B are commute, that means it satisfies the what? Commutative property. Now we have to prove by using principle of mathematical induction. The first step is what? You have to verify. You have to verify for n equal to which value? 1. You have to verify for n equal to 1. 1 or 1 and কি কৰিব লাগে তোমাৰ verify কৰিব লাগে. Then left hand side of this part কিমান আহিব a b to the power 1, that means a b, and right hand side of this part, what is the value of right hand side? b to the power 1 into a, what? ba. ba is equal to, you can write what? ab. Why? Using 1. With the help of what? Using 1. That means left hand side is equal to what? Right hand side. Therefore, the result is true for n equal to 1. The first step already complete. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about the second step, step 2. Consider second step to আমি consider the result is true for n equal to k for all k is belong to what? Natural number. Okay, Cartesian proof will consider question for n equal to k, where k is belong to all the natural number. From this result, you have a into b to the power k is equal to b to the power k into a. This one we consider equation 2. We will consider equation 2 with the help of this one. Now we have to prove the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. To prove that the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. Cartesian proof for what value of n equal to k plus 1 with the help of which step? Second step, that is this one. That is, you have to prove it a into b to the power n equal to what? K plus 1 is equal to b to the power what? K plus 1 into a. That means you have to prove it. A part coming proved. Now what is the left hand side of this part? A into b to the power k plus 1. This part can be written as a into b to the power k into b. What is the value of a into b to the power k? With the help of equation 2, definitely this part can be written as b to the power k into a into b. Using which step? Using equation 2. Using which equation? Equation. Again, this part can be written as AB, can be written as what? BA. Using which step? Using equation 1. This one. Using this equation. AB is equal to, you have what? BA. Now, from this part, you have b to the power k plus 1 into a. That is the what? Right hand side. That is the what? Right hand side. Therefore, the result is true for all the natural number. All the natural number. Okay. Therefore, the result is true for all the natural number. Here, we consider some set of questions. 3 questions are there. With the help of principle of mathematical induction, you can prove. Okay, the same procedure. First one is what? If a equal to this one, 3 by 3 matrix, then you have to prove that a to the power n equal to this one, t to the power n minus 1, t to the power n minus 1. All elements are what? T to the power n minus 1. For all n belongs to what? N. Okay. The second one is what? If a equal to this one, 2 by 2 matrix, you have to prove that this one is equal to this part. And the third one, if a and b are commute means what? Commutative. Then prove that a b whole to the power n equal to a to the power n into what? B to the power n for all n is belongs to what? Natural number. Okay. I hope you have understood the application of principle of mathematical induction to matrices. Okay. Thank you.